Aiming to level the series after the Wellington debacle, India will face New Zealand in the second test in Christchurch at the Hagley Oval from Saturday. India had lost the first test at Basin Reserve by 10 wickets, and a win is essential for Virat Kohli and his band to level the series and bag 60 ICC World Test Championship points to maintain their lead. Opener Prithvi Shaw had a swelling on his left leg and skipped the nets on Thursday, and it raised doubts over his availability for the Hagley Oval Test. But head coach Ravi Shastri gave a go-ahead for Shaw, and rest assured he will be opening with Mayank Agarwal. Similarly, Shastri hinted at a tight competition for the spinner slot between R. Ashwin, who played at Wellington, and Ravindra Jadeja. Shastri hinted, talking about the overall utility and batting could well be a tilting factor when the team decides. The spinner, the first test's best performer with the ball, Ishant Sharma is set to miss the second test with an ankle injury. Pacer Umesh Yadav will replace Ishant Sharma in the side. New Zealand, who had taken a 1-0 lead in the series, might just reinforce their bowling attack, adding Neil Wagner for this test. Though a call is expected only on Saturday, Wagner can unsettle batsmen with his pace and ability to bowl accurate, short-pitched balls. And the Hagley Oval trampoline is expected to offer bounce and carry to the quicks.
In terms of coaching philosophy, like we see you always at the head of the net when one of the young batsmen are batting. So when do you decide, when do you step in and like have a word with them about technique or anything, and when you just like let it be?
You generally do that when you see something is not right and you have a solution for it. I'm not like one of those kind of coaches who will tell you that should be done without having an answer. So, and you don't go there all the time. If you see something that is valid, it makes sense to go and tell him, and then again it's up to the individual. But if he sees the merits in that, then it's good.
Where do you think the Indian pace bowlers need to improve given what happened in the last test match, or do you compare that to what New Zealand did? What did New Zealand do better?
I thought conditions for New Zealand were far better on day one, when it came to bowl. The pitch eased out a bit, when India bowled. But having said that, that's why you say familiarity with home conditions. You saw what Saudi and Bolt could do, with the experience they have and the knowledge they have in bowling in these conditions. If I'm not mistaken, they're the third highest pair, amongst them to take wickets in Test match cricket, which is a terrific achievement. So our guys know what to expect.